Hey guys, this is Jimmy with the Faith for Keto Kitchen, and I'm on my own just for a moment. I'm here at the neighborhood Walmart, so what I'm doing is just doing some shopping for a dessert. Today happens to be Father's Day on the filming of this, so I'm over here at the Halo Top section in the store here, and they have quite a variety. So Rosa already hooked me up with what do you call it, a tool chest for Father's Day, which is a rolling one. It's huge. It'll probably take a day and a half to put together, but that'll be good. But for right now, before we maybe go see The Incredibles #2, I am going to enjoy a treat at the house. So I'm here to hunt for some Halo Top. So why don't we look and see what they got here. Okay, so I'm in here looking at the variety of Halo Tops in here. You know, this isn't something that we, based on their recipes and their sugar count and things like that, we don't necessarily eat this all the time, but I am going to do this as a Father's Day treat. So this is a very once in a lifetime, or hardly a few times a year treat. I do like pancakes and waffles as far as normally. I don't know if I'll get this, but if you see this in the Halo Top, 320 calories per pint. You can see the, usually it's the carbohydrates that's been pretty high here. So that's 16. And then you got your dietary subtracting of the 3, so you're left with 13 grams of carbs. And the serving size in here is for half a cup, okay? So you can see that, you can see the sugar content. So when you take that sugar alcohol and subtract it from the regular sugar, you're looking at 2 grams of sugar. Yeah, not necessarily. So what I'm gonna go for now is, it would be based on what I would desire. So I like the oatmeal cookie one. I've had that before. You can see the content there. The fat grams are only 3. Then when you're looking at 1 sugars, when you subtract the sugar alcohol from the sugar, and your carb is going to be at 11 grams. So that's a better choice. I might take that home, but I'm here actually to try something different. So the cinnamon roll I didn't like too much for myself. I'm not a mint chocolate chip fan, but for you, those who are out there who love mint chip, you can see that it's 320 calories. When you look at it, half a cup is always going to be your serving size. You're looking at 1 sugar gram when you subtract that alcohol. But as far as the carbohydrates, when you take that 14 and subtract the dietary fiber, you're looking at 11. Not too bad. Again, birthday cake. We have quite a few. You got cookies and cream. Strawberry. 280 calories. That's even less than the other ones. Fat's not there, hardly. So this one with the dietary fiber, so that's 11. That's one on the better choice. So let's see, you got peaches and cream. That's cool. Pistachio is really good. I like that one. Caramel macchiato, mocha chocolate chip, vanilla bean. If you want your basic vanilla bean at 280. So the pricing, you gotta love the pricing. This is not too bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan here, take it home, and then we'll pick up from there and see what I brought home, okay? There's a toasted coconut for you coconut fans. I do not like coconut. So from here, I'm just going to go ahead and find out what actually do my selection here. I'll find out what looks good to me, take a couple home, maybe 3, and we'll pick it up from the house, okay? So see you there. Hey guys, okay, so I'm back from the store and I made my selections and I'm here at the house and you already know who this is. Introduce yourself. And this
Malaysia.
is our daughter, Malaysia Hilton. So I decided on 3 different flavors, so we're going to show you what that is. And Malaysia's not on keto, but we're going to go ahead and test it and see what she thinks about Halo Tops ice cream. And also, we have these awesome brownie bites.
And you can find that recipe at faith4ketokitchen.com.
So, Rose picked, she made these. She
Shameless
made some
plug.
other ones too. We also have cheesecake in the fridge, but right now, let's go to my selections.
All right.
So, check it out, guys.
They got spoons.
Malaysia, you can hold one, and we're just going to show this to everybody.
Oh, okay. First.
And
Sorry
see.
about that. Yeah.
All right, so this is the flavors that we have here. So I picked up the peaches and cream. I wanted to go fruity flavor because the last one, Halo Top I had, it was the pistachio, and I forgot what was the other
Lemon
flavor.
cake.
Lemon cake.
Apparently she likes the lemon cake.
Lemon
It
cake.
was like a mocha, caramel macchiato.
Caramel
Yeah,
macchiato.
that was good.
So out of those 3, which one was your favorite?
They were all really good.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't like pistachio though.
She didn't like the pistachio. I like the pistachio.
I like the pistachio, but not as much as the other ones, though.
Yeah. The other
Yeah.
one
So
was
make sure that's not in your face. Are you too high?
Trying to get it in my face. Okay.
But for me, it was like, I like the lemon, I like the pistachio, but we just ate pistachios this morning.
Yeah.
So I picked up the peaches and cream, haven't tried that before. This is the oatmeal cookie, which is a really good one. Malaysia is her favorite. We let these sit for a minute so we could kind of carve into them. So usually when you get them, you're going to have to wait about 10 minutes probably.
Yeah, 10-15 minutes. Get them softened up some so they taste nice and creamy.
Yeah, so if you feel you can see the drip, it's because we've been talking for a minute. And then I have the strawberry. So we're gonna put these down and let's go ahead and get our dishes here and sample.
Yes. Yes.
So
Simple.
let's go ahead. We all have our own.
So we're going to do which one? You start with the peaches and cream?
Start with the peaches and cream. Let's go ahead and start with the peaches and cream.
She wants it all.
Alright, so right now we are doing our scoops and Malaysia has hers. So what do you think of the texture, first of all, after you let it melt for a minute?
It looks creamy.
It smells good.
Smells good?
Ooh, it smells peachy, for real.
Okay. Are we tasting now?
Yeah, we're doing samples, but okay.
That is so good.
Actually,
Mom.
this is really good. So, how would you describe it?
More like a peach cobbler. It's not tart. But it has the right amount of peach, but it's not tart at all.
That's a good description. Peach cobbler, that's what it tastes like. Man, that's good. And it's creamy. It's like silky on your tongue.
Yeah, so it's a milky peach cobbler. Actually, it does taste like the top of the peach cobbler. It's
Because
really
it's
good.
not tart, but it's
That's yummy.
So, what we could do is we can rinse these out, or we can just go for
Oh,
it.
we're just going for
We're
it.
going for it. So, we're gonna stick with fruity right now because I think we should go with fruity. And that way we can stay in the flavor, what do you call it? The flavor profile with fruit, and then we go to oatmeal so we don't throw ourselves off too bad.
That's true.
Okay.
All right. And by the way, today's Father's Day, and happy Father's Day to all you dads out there. And dads to be.
Thank
Oh, you
you.
gave me a lot. Yeah, I can't finish it off, but I'll try.
All right.
All right, so this is the strawberry. Looks good.
Smells good. It smells very strawberry-ish.
Yes, it does. So this does have the, and then if you look at the texture on it, it's really good.
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, this is good too.
He said, oh.
I haven't had strawberry ice cream
Oh, that's
in a long
good.
time. And
It
this
tastes
is
like a
good.
strawberry milkshake.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, you and the descriptions are on point. That's pretty good. That is strawberry.
So-
Because I eat a lot.
The peaches and the strawberry, this is really good. This
You know
is,
what?
Once again, it's not tart, but it tastes like a milkshake, a
Like
strawberry milkshake.
It's perfectly balanced and creamy, and it does remind me of strawberry milkshake I used to have back east in New York. Literally, this is like that strawberry milkshake, that recipe. Oh
strawberry
my God.
milkshake?
What up? Hey, I'm niggas delicious, okay? Hey, good job, Hilltop.
Hilltop did a great job on this.
I love
Now
it.
again, we talked about the macros on this,
Yeah, it is.
or actually the,
Oh, that's,
on the back.
yeah. So each
I might do this again after we get to the
Okay,
oatmeal.
okay.
So, on the strawberry, we're talking about, of course, this is the serving per container is 4. So half a cup is the serving size, and you're looking at 2 grams of fat. 1 is saturated. You're looking at the carbohydrates at 14 grams. Dietary was 3 grams, so that gives you 11 grams. And then the sugar, when it's 6 grams versus the subtracting the sugar alcohol at 5 grams, you're looking at 1 gram of sugar.
Yeah, and they use what, erythritol for the sugar alcohol?
So let's find out for that. So it says here that this contains milk and eggs. It also has erythritol and prebiotic fiber, milk protein concentrate, cream. There is organic cane sugar and organic strawberries with the vegetable glycerin, and obviously the natural flavors. So there is some cane sugar in it. Again, this is only on a treat thing for us because we're like very strict keto.
Oh yeah, we're strict keto. But we wanted to give you guys an idea of what's inside the Halo Top ice creams. Good thing is though, this is paleo friendly as well. You know, it's not just for keto. They don't really say it's just for keto anyway. And you can have this whole container, what is it? 280 calories. So if you're talking about lowering your calories as well and not keto, that's good for a whole pint.
Oh, yeah.
It's a better alternative, that's for sure.
Right.
Yeah.
So, but on our website, faithforketo.com, faithforketokitchen.com,
Yes.
of course, all of the recipes are going to be
Keto friendly.
Keto friendly. So whether you're doing dirty keto, regular keto, or severe
Or lazy keto.
lazy
I
keto,
guess.
whatever they call it, you know, pajama keto and plaid keto, it's all going to be safe for you to eat. We're just doing this because it's Father's Day. And the last opportunity is, now we're going away from the fruit profile and we're going to, what most people are missing right now when you're on keto is oatmeal. So we're going with the oatmeal cookie Halo Top. So go ahead and make your own so you can do it to size.
Yeah, do it to size because
This one I know.
Oh my gosh, she's already.
mind you, she's not keto, but she's digging this Halo Top. What does that tell you? That tells you how good it is, though. So that's all good.
Okay.
Now don't forget we have the brownies you can throw in there. We're on the last tasting of the keto, so we can add that in if we want to.
Yeah.
I'm only gonna do a little bit
I'm gonna do a
of
tiny bit.
because I was loving the
I was like a strawberry.
I was loving the strawberry too. I ain't gonna lie.
Cause I love fruity.
I like the peaches and cream.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
I'm more of a fruity too.
oh man, this is where I do miss though. This is an oatmeal cookie.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
This is.
I mean,
I think it's because I had the other one that doesn't taste as good as
right.
the
That's
first
all
one
I
had.
say. Maybe you see, you hear my voice. I'm like, because before I was like, oh, this is like an oatmeal cookie.
Yeah.
I guess because the other fruitiness was so bright, you know, that it kind of took away from the oatiness, which is kind of just subtle right now. But normally, it's really good.
Really good,
Yeah, it is.
I think we should have water.
And it has, I know. Yeah, we should cleanse our palates, that's true. But it's still good, and you can have, they have the little oatmeal pieces in there, which is kind of cool. I like it, and cinnamon-y.
It is. So if you missed the oatmeal cookies and you want something like that, definitely you would want to go with the Halo Top.
Yeah.
In the oatmeal cookie one. This one's only 320 calories again, and when it comes down to it, it's all going to be at the. Actually, this is looking at.
You need to read the deets on this too.
On the fiber is going to be 11 grams again. On the carbohydrates, I'm sorry, total. And the sugars, it looks like it's going to be a minus. If it's 4 grams of sugar and 5 grams of alcohol, sugar alcohol. So you're looking at the ingredients, and this one is going to be coconut milk.
You can give them a close-up of it if you want, so you guys can see for yourself.
I don't know if you can, depending on where I'm at. But prebiotic, what is that? Fiber, organic cane sugar. So erythritol, rolled oats, rice, protein, and vegetable glycerin and stuff. So again, for us, this is not something we would do every day, but we've been so far into keto.
Yeah, we've been doing it 6 months now and totally straight, so.
And so our bodies aren't going to really.
Won't react too much to it. So there's peaches and cream one, what about that? About the same thing?
Same thing. But this one, it comes in as far as when you're looking at the organic sugar and the organic rice starch that's in here as well. And that comes in about the 3rd ingredient.
No.
So again, this isn't something we would indulge in every day.
No, but it's a better alternative. And if you're not keto, enjoy. And even if you are, enjoy yourself sometime. You know, you can't just be so strict when you're not enjoying life. So it's
Yeah.
okay to have some sometimes. You know, we're not saying that, but it's good to get yourself to that point where you can do that, not kind of like the second day in keto. I wouldn't recommend that, you know, but later on down the line, it's pretty cool, you know, because you got to enjoy life. Father's Day today, too.
Yeah, so I mean, I would definitely, well, right now we are, so.
Would you recommend this? Yeah? All flavors?
All flavors.
She's like, leave me alone, leave me.
I'm gonna switch to
Strawberry.
in peaches and cream.
I wanted to try that too today. Yeah, I'm still. I'm sad because the almond cookie does normally taste really good.
Yeah, it is. But, yeah. So,
Are we gonna finish this one?
Yeah.
We're gonna say, what do you wanna say, Rose?
well, I want to say Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Yes. And, he's
Happy Father's Day
yeah.
out there, even though this is gonna be probably late when you see it.
Yeah. That's okay though. We just want to say Happy Father's Day and thank you guys for just subscribing to our channel, Faith for Keto Kitchen. And we appreciate you. And let us know what's your favorite Halo Top. Comment below what's your favorite Halo Top. Have you tried Halo Top before? If you haven't, run out and try some. Get your favorite flavor. They're generally like in Walmart, neighborhood Walmart. Smith's generally have them if you have Kroger's in your area.
Yeah.
HEB, I believe, has them in Texas. All depends where you're at, but I'm sure you can find them because they're not that hard to find. So give them a try.
And there's other flavors like I didn't show, I don't know if I picked it up. Birthday cake.
Yeah, we tried birthday cake.
They have
Yeah, we tried that
s'mores,
yet.
they have chocolate covered banana flavor, peanut butter.
See, I haven't tried that. We're gonna do another one. If you guys want to see another one of these reviews of the ice cream, the Halo Top ice cream, or any other ice creams out
Tell
there.
us the flavor you want us to get.
Yeah, let us know the flavor so that we can actually pick it up and get them. All right. So we're excited. We'll see you soon next time at Faith for Keto Kitchen. Thank you for joining us, and you guys have an awesome week. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye, guys.